Hello, welcome to Get Ready with me. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm a top leader with AVON, and it's time to get ready. So let's hop right in and then we will chat a little bit. I've already gone in with my morning skincare regimen. Of course, that is my Skin Invincible, my Dual Elixir, and the Depuffing Eye Serum to get these eyes under control because they're a little cray today. So it is the day before Christmas Eve that I'm shooting this. And so are you guys ready? Are you ready for the holiday? Do you have all the things done? All your cooking done? All the things. I don't. I still have things to do. I still have lots of things to do. So we are going to prime this face with our ink lasting primer and get started so that I can go do all the things I need to do. I still have to do some shopping and, or not really like gift shopping, but grocery shopping. And I'm sure that the grocery stores are already going to be crazy. Magix wand in the shade Marshmallow. We're going to use this to cover up these bags in a downward motion and a downward triangle. Some on the nose. I have a little spot over here that needs some little bit of TLC. So if you will use your Magix wand on those places that trouble spots, trouble areas, it will definitely help to conceal that. So I have to show you guys. I got the best gift ever. Check this out. Real Housewives of Bowie. Can you see it? Is that not cute? It's never too early for a drink of wine, right? Or in my case, water. I got that. It's my favorite gift. One of my viewers and friends got me that because she knows I'm a huge Real Housewives fan. So what is your favorite gift that you've ever received? I believe that's probably in the top 10 for me. Top 10. It is awesome. So share with me in the comments, what is your favorite gift that you've ever gotten? What is something that you just made your heart smile? You know, just made you smile. Okay, so I took my ring finger and I just patted in that Magix wand just to kind of help it set in place. And then I'm going to go in with my ink lasting foundation in the shade of porcelain. And I took my pad, pushed it in, and I just picked up some to start patting it in. So I'm so excited. I have lots of things going on. We are going to be hosting another Christmas here at our house, and got to get all the things ready and get the house ready and bake cookies for Santa. Do you guys bake cookies or do you buy cookies? That's always a question too that I wonder. I like for the boys to decorate it. I think it just makes it more special for Santa. So we are going to decorate cookies today and get those all ready and get a couple of desserts made. Okay, so it just was that one push in the cush to get all of the foundation that I needed for my face. That is how awesome this coverage is. It does not take much. And then you can just pat it on your face. And I'm blending with that under eye makeup too. All done. Okay, so we've got the foundation on. We're going to go in now with our brow pencil. And so I'm just going to the grocery store. So we're not going to do like a huge fancy look, but I just wanted to do a quick mom look. So we're going to draw this in. There we go. So I'm not getting any comments. I don't know why I'm not seeing those comments today. I didn't see them yesterday either. So what is one of your favorite traditions that you do with your family. One of our favorites is Christmas Eve morning, or Christmas Day morning, how about that? After we open presents, we have monkey bread. I make monkey bread for the boys. Super easy. It's like take biscuits and pull them apart and dip them in sugar and cinnamon. Put them into a bundt pan, and then I make up a mixture that has a cup of butter. It has brown sugar and some pecans in it, and melt it up on the stovetop. And then I pour it over the raw biscuits that are dipped in cinnamon and sugar, and then I bake it all together, and that ooey gooey stuff just kind of filters through the biscuits, and it's so amazing. It's one of the best little breakfast snacky things that you will ever do. So we're going to do Time to Shine palette this morning. There is a few of these left on my website. You know, it comes with the 3 books. And we are going to do, I feel like I need just a little bit of contour this morning. So we're going to pull out the contour here. Going to do these 2 colors. Okay, girlfriend, you are contoured. Contoured, like for reals. So, and maybe it went a little bit darker than I wanted, so. Just going to take my pad. I'm just going to pat it in. There's always a way to lighten things if you want to lighten it a little bit. Still, whoo, look at those slender cheekbones. It's definitely not because I ate less. And then doing just a little bit on my forehead and a little bit on the chin, just to give you that illusion of a slimmer face. And then I'm going to use the eye palette, Positive Vibes Only eye palette. We're going to pick up this champagne here and cover the entire lid of our eye. Bringing it down just a little bit. It's just going to give us a little pop of color on those eyes. Yes, yes, girl. Okay, with our crease brush, we're going to pick up this nude color here, and I'm just going to cover the bottom of that lid and work it up to my crease. I'm not going for a full fancy eye today. Do I have any Real Housewives fans watching? Anybody on here? Real Housewife fans? Drop me a comment. You can kind of see I just went with a light eye. Nothing too bold. Just going with a basic look today. And let's do some precision liner. And I'll show you guys how I put this on. So if you're just joining, I have to show you one of my favorite gifts I received. Real Housewives of Bowie. I'm a huge Real Housewives fan. So I will be drinking my morning water, my morning coffee, my morning wine. Some days you have to have that out of that glass. So we're going to go in. And just line that very simply. Just lay it over. There we go. We're going to do half the eye underneath. To let our eyes pop a little bit. Can you already see the difference? I'm already seeing it. We're going to curl these lashes because for some reason my lashes grow down, and I am still not quite certain why that is. I'm going to have to read about it. So I'm going to curl them up. And then Love Mascara. I don't know if you guys are commenting and I'm missing it. Not sure. I hate this. I'm not ignoring you if you're chatting because I'm not seeing it. My lash serum is working. These lashes are getting longer and longer. And I'm loving it. Look at that. Using your lash serum every day definitely pays off for sure. Okay. Oh, good. Drop me some hearts because I'm not seeing comments. So drop me some hearts. Okay. So we got the mascara on. I'm going to go in now with my Coral Ink Lasting or Moisture Cushion Blush. I'm going to take it and just pick up just a tad on there. Right above where I did that little bit of contour. I'm just going to put a little kiss of color. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, so let's finish off this look today with a ambitious lip Mattitude. I am in love with our lip Mattitudes. It goes on wet, but it dries like a matte. Just a settle look this morning for the grocery store. You know, I don't got to be impressing anybody at the grocery store, but it never fails. I'll run in there and I'll see everybody I know. So I don't dare go without putting some kind of makeup on because that's just my luck. It was hair washing day. I love it. I don't do it, but every other day. Do you guys wash your hair every day? Share in the comments. Let me know. One day I wash, one day I dry shampoo. My hair always feels fresh on hair washing day. So, okay, I think this is it. I think this is our look. I'm going to hit the road. I hope that you all have a very, very Merry Christmas, that you enjoy your time with your family. Give your babies kisses for me. Thank you for always supporting and watching. Please share this video. Someone else could use some of these makeup tips to help their day be a little bit easier. And you can shop for any of these products on your avon.com/jwoolsey. And thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye, guys.